Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction here today, coming to you from a church in Asheville, North Carolina. You might be able to see from the reflection of my glasses here that we are putting down a membrane roof. That's this right here is membrane roofing, and that's what it looks like on the ground. Holes here are going to be for existing drains, so we're going to want to cut and flash these drains appropriately, get these guys looking good. You can see old TPO roofing right here. Our new stuff here. We're going to maintain this gravel stop, paint it, getting looking good. We're gluing the edges, and then we're going to mechanically fasten within here, right? We've got some HVAC trunk lines right through here, so we're going to try and avoid putting any screws in here in this section. I took a look at the ceiling from inside, so the HVAC is actually between the rafters, and it's like one of those insulated carry lines. I'm sure I'll have a picture of it in here somewhere, but that's going to be something we want to avoid with our screws, so we're not going to screw in right here. I've got one more location right here, but I don't think we'll be in any trouble because that's not that deep. And then there's another location here as well where we're not going to want to hit the screws as well, right? So anyway, definitely get some before and after. We've already got the first sheet of membrane rolled out. A lot of detail work on this. The field work's going to be pretty easy, but it's the detail work that gets you on this stuff. Again, my name's Kirby Smith. Call us if we can help you with your next commercial roofing project in Asheville, North Carolina. Love doing commercial roofs, fixing roof repairs and roof leaks. We'll go ahead and finish up, but thank you guys so much for checking out this video today.